Welcome to this online workshop on Pricegroups. Using Pricegroups can make filling and keeping your supply up to date easier and more efficient. If you currently spend a lot of time individually entering and sending prices to customers, you should definitely watch this online workshop. Pricegroups and Floriday help you categorize customers with the same price levels into convenient groups, saving you a lot of time and optimizing the sales process. We will explain to you step by step how to create and manage Pricegroups in Floriday. You will be notified in your dashboard when new customers have connected with you but have not been assigned to a price group yet. Go to the menu on the left and click on Supply, then proceed to Direct Sales and click on the Pricegroups tab. You will now see an overview of all your price groups. Click on Add Price Group to create a new price group. First, give the price group a recognizable name for you. This name is only visible to you. Customers cannot see which price group they're assigned to. When it comes to pricing, you can choose between manual or calculated prices. In manual price groups, you always enter the price on top of the base price. In calculated price groups, prices are calculated based on factors you've chosen, such as a discount or markup on the base price. Next, you can choose between a general price group or a customer-specific price group. General means that prices are visible to all customers, while customer-specific means that only customers you select can see the prices. Please note that catalog prices, or week lists, only work with customer-specific price groups. If you're working with batch prices, mainly used by flower growers, you can use a general price group. After determining the type of price group, move on to the next step and click on Continue. Choose which services you offer to customers in this price group. We'll start with transport costs. If you want to include delivery and transport in the product price, select Prices including delivery and transport. If you want to show the price exclusive of transport costs, select Prices excluding delivery and transport. You can configure the transport costs in the delivery conditions in Floriday. Under the Services section, you can check whether the prices in this price group includes or excludes stickers. Next, under the Sales Unit per Price Group section, you can configure the unit of sale for each item. The options are per package, per layer, or per load carrier. If you set it to per load carrier, the customer must make a minimum purchase of a full load carrier of the same product. If you want the customer to be able to fill up a load carrier with various products, choose per package or per layer and click on Continue. If you have chosen a calculated price group, you can now configure the calculation in the next step. If you have chosen a manual price group, the calculation is not necessary, and Step 3 will be grayed out, taking you directly to Step 4, the target customers. Now let's configure the price calculation. First, choose whether you want to offer a discount or a markup to this price group. Next, choose whether to work with a fixed amount or a percentage. Depending on your choice, the third option will allow you to enter a specific amount or percentage used in the price calculation. Optionally, you can order fulfillment charge, which can be distributed over the purchase, based on the number of plants or flowers on a crate, layer, or load carrier. Lastly, you can choose to round the price, either up, down, or to the nearest value. Then select whether you want to round it to 1 cent, 5 cents, or 10 cents. If you want to see an example of the price calculation, take a look at the example price calculation screen on the right. Using the two arrows, you can select an item, and once you've found the desired item, enter the base price, and you'll immediately see the calculation applied and the rounded price for the customers in this price group. In the next step, we will add the target customers that should be selected for this price group. Click on Edit Organizations. You will now see a list of all customers with a Royal Flora Holland customer number. To find your customers faster, you can use several filters. If you're looking for a specific customer, use the search bar, type in the name or customer number, and then click the plus sign next to the correct entry. You can also filter by connections, which are customers in your network. Once you've selected all customers, click Confirm in the upper right corner. Now, you can save the price group by clicking Save in the lower right corner. We have now created a price group. If you want to work with multiple price groups, such as including transport and an excluding transport price group, click Add Price Group and repeat the steps as we've just shown, selecting the appropriate settings to efficiently offer to your customers. And with that, we've reached the end of this online workshop. I hope that after watching this video, you have a better understanding of how to use price groups to improve your sales processes. For further questions and support, please consult the Floriday Help Center or contact our support desk via chat or phone. Thank you for watching, and good luck with optimizing price management in Floriday.